Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Sigma Investing Hub. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss, NIO's share price. We'll dive into technical analysis, chart patterns, and future targets for this electric vehicle company. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update on the stock market. Let's get started. As of latest market close, NIO stock is trading at $10.08 per share. First, let's give a brief overview of NIO. NIO Incorporated is a Chinese electric vehicle manufacturer known for its innovative EVs and advanced technology. It's a company that has captured the attention of many investors worldwide. Now, let's take a look at NIO's historical share price performance. Over the past few years, NIO has seen incredible growth. In 2020, the stock was trading at just a few dollars, and by 2021, it had surged to over $60 per share. Time for some technical analysis. Let's look at the current chart for NIO. As you can see, we have some key indicators to consider. We're currently in an uptrend, but keep an eye on the support and resistance levels. The moving averages are showing a bullish trend, which is a positive sign for NIO investors. Now, let's discuss chart patterns. One pattern to watch for is the cup and handle formation. This pattern often indicates a bullish continuation. Keep an eye on whether NIO completes this pattern. Remember, chart patterns are just one piece of the puzzle. Always consider other factors, such as news and market sentiment. So, what are the future targets for NIO's share price? Well, analysts are generally optimistic about NIO's growth potential. Some predict that it could reach $100 or more in the coming years, but please do your own research before making investment decisions. Of course, with any investment, there are risks. NIO operates in a highly competitive industry, and factors like government regulations can impact its performance. Always be aware of the potential downsides. In conclusion, NIO's share price has shown impressive growth, and technical analysis suggests it's on an uptrend. Keep an eye on chart patterns and consider both the potential targets and risks associated with NIO. As always, do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making investment decisions. That wraps up today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow investors. Thanks for watching Sigma Investing Hub, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy investing!